Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make Shaljam bhurji, a delicious Indian dish made with turnips. Take two large size turnips which is Shaljam. Peel the skin of the turnips. Once the skin is peeled, wash both the shaljams with water. Cut the shaljam into 2 or 4 pieces and add it to a cooker for boil. Add 1 glass of water to the peel and cut shaljam and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover the cooker with the lid and cook it for 2 whistles or till the shaljam becomes soft. After the pressure is gone, open the lid of the cooker and check whether the shaljam became soft or not using a knife or a spoon. Take 2 medium-sized onions, 2 medium-sized potatoes and finely chop them. To a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them flutter. Add finely chopped onions and saute until they turn golden brown. Add finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they become soft. Once tomatoes become soft and oil starts to separate, add ginger garlic paste and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Mix everything together. Once masala is cooked, add the boiled turnips and smash them. Or you can smash them separately and add the smashed turnips to the masala. Once the turnips are smashed and cooked well, add garam masala, add kasuri methi and mix well. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and serve hot with roti or rice. Please try the recipe and let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe. Bye bye.